And under the we are in a suspension, I pull on pan it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's out of the suspension pan that, man. Alright, so. I'll crack them here already. Oh, let me crack. No, may I use it, go get something. Oh, wait there. Should have $6 grand US right now, buy a stroker kit put in this. Too dear, man. Turn it in a 4 liter, eh? CSS the block. People are balling, man. I drop 2 big stinking oversized tear up on this. Buy the next one and drop it on it. And night just it nastiness. Can't mash up, you know. You can't mash up. You can't mash up that, brother. I'm gonna bad tuning and detonation will mash up this, man. That alone, bad tuning.
You know,
eh?
Just one shit I did on you. That I trying to make the pinnacle of power. So they can like fuse 2 things together.
Oh, what?
And a supercharger and a turbocharger. Like,
oh, waste of time that, man. People do them something they come like a money they want to waste. What all of that for?
Think about it.
What all of that for?
All the faults are, you know, for supercharger.
Oh, waste of time that, brother. You see, 6 seconds, 7 seconds carry them something. They look on whole like super them. One big sting, big oversized single turbo with nitrous on it. With a TH400 transmission or power glide. Look on roll and I run 8.6. Is it running out of that? Eh?
I said, the only problem with turbocharger. Like,
there's no problem with turbocharge, my father.
Some people just want instant boost.
Brother, you want instant boost? The nitrous there. There's Billy engine.
What is it?
Or anti-lag.
Yeah.
But it's a nitrous. Once the low end bill, you poison it, man, you make it blanch off of your line. I axle me, I forgot worry about.
Yeah, but watch this.
You build the bottom off, you will take your nitrous, you will take your pressure, you see me? Yeah, man, lick it. See, you have to just worry about your traction and your suspension on your back. Yo, Duran, you know, so roll and carry when it a launch. You feel that squat? Yeah, what kind of suspension do you have on that, brother, when it a load? No, sir. Terrible, man. So we said, say, you know?
What if I can integrate, like, you know, like a supercharged pro? But the design I'm going for is like a three hole one.
Look what I go on, brother. Cause you see the method when him use, he wrong. He pull it in so. Give me, you know, the, wait there. Ratchet, pass the angle.
Done.
Yeah. See, I'm going to build for a reason. Now this, that young would do, you know. Same method there, you know. No, I don't want to. See, so brace you up half a silicone. See, eh? We have to do them like in a sequence, like. Okay, could just do one side alone and leg side of this, I do all of them. See, black arrays, eh? Everything rise up, you know. Aye.
One more left now.
Yeah. Oh. 14 is the. Charlie, my ring there, you know, drop out, you know. Alright, now. Come like a silly silver, can you see it? Alright, put this one side now. Alright, so see guts there. Done. Take out him trash washer there. Oh, one trash washer drop.
Yeah, it went through.
Oh, yes. Just put that in my car. Pull the door and put that in my car. Alright, so now. So that is squirt to them now. All of this are assembled for a machine shop. Pass what this one 10? Spline there. We have spline 10 there. Yeah, put on good. My cut my wire them are sitting in the car there now. Yeah, man. No them, my boy. I want them to just get oversized piston. The black have got bore. That's the problem. I like it, you know. I'll go see still. So we can get some stock. Some stocky. Alright, so I don't know now. Successfully, disassembly block without damaging nothing at all. Yeah, man. Lift up the block here now. So the big thing now for just make some space, organize something them. So we know say yeah. Oh, the trash washer them. Yes.
I don't know my use.
Aye. VQ my boy. But no 4 like all I had there. 4 of them I use. So it's clear. I change the main them. I buy a brand new one. I'm done. It's might as well. I'm go get started so I'm gonna change it and pull it up. And it's a breaking period I worry about.